Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily allow TikTok app access to your photos and videos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find the privacy and security. Just tap on that. Here you should find photos, get into it, and then you have to find the TikTok app in that list. Just scroll down until you find it and then tap on that. And now, in order to allow TikTok app to access to your photo library, just select All Photos option. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.